Okay, so I'm gonna talk one more time about the key signatures and the scales. Okay, so the first one is so the major scale we talk about today. Okay, so the major scales has this pattern. It's like if you see the C, D, E, F, right, and G and A and B and C, right? So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 notes in total. Okay, so C to D, it's the whole tone, right? So you can see from the piano, C to D is C to C sharp is a half tone, C sharp to D is a half tone. So C to D is a whole tone, D to E is a whole tone, E to F is a half tone, right? So there's no black keys in the middle. So E to F is a half tone, F to G is a whole tone, G to A is a whole tone, A to B is a whole tone, and B to C is a half tone, right? So that's the pattern for the major scales. It has to be whole tone, half tone, and whole tone, and half tone, okay? So that's why like all the other major scales we're learning, right? So for example, the G major, so they put F sharp right here, okay? So it's one sharp sign. So that one is F sharp. So why the G major has F sharp? Because if you do the G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, right? So we have to know, so G to A is the whole tone, A to B is a whole tone, B to C is a half tone, C to D is a whole tone, and D to E is a whole tone, E to F is a half tone. So how do we make a whole tone? It has to be E go to F sharp, so let's make a whole tone, and F sharp go to G is half tone. So that's why the G major, you have F sharp, you see? Only one sharp. So the G major has F sharp then, okay? And the same thing, so this chart is called the circle of fifths, okay? So it means from the major, so C major is the one without any sharp or flats because C major is already in this pattern, right? So the major scale pattern, whole tone, half tone, whole tone, half tone, like that, okay? So no sharp, no flats, okay? So when you go to G, so you count the 5 notes, so C, D, E, F, G. So that's 5 notes, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when you find that after the 5 notes, after C, that's the key with the first sharp, which is F sharp, okay? And the next key is another 5th note. You see, it's G, A, B, C, D, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, another 5 notes, right? You find a D major, which has 2 sharps. Okay, so the key has 1 sharp, is G major, which is 5th notes from C then, okay? And the next note, D major has 2 sharps with from G, so you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 notes, so you find it's the D major. And the next one is A major, same thing, right? D, E, F, G, A, right? Same as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We find another 5 notes, and it will be A major has 3 sharps, okay? And next one, A to E, is 4 sharps. A so it's same, A, B, C, D, E, so 5 notes as well, right? So you find E has 4 sharps like that, okay? So that's how to use this chart. So that's why it's called circle of fifths, because it's every 5 notes, it change 1 sharp, and another 5 notes change to 2 sharps, another 5 notes change to 3 sharps, another 5 notes change to 4 sharps, like that, okay? So downward is the same thing, okay? So when you go to the black for the flat sign, okay? So you start from C, the counterclock. So you go C, B, A, G, F, okay? So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 notes, and you find 1 flat, okay? And the next one, F to B flat, same, right? F, E, D, C, and B flat, okay? So because F major is already has this B flat, okay? So the second key, it's the B flat major, has 2 flats, right? And next one is E flat, so you go down another 5th, right? So it's B flat, A, G, F, and E flat, okay? So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another 5 notes, right? So you find E flat like that, okay? And the last one, you from E flat go to the A flat will be same. So E, D, E flat, D, C, D flat, and A flat. So that's the first part, why it's called circle of fifths then, okay?